Hey there, welcome to our special ice cream drawing tutorial. First up, let's start with a classic. We're going to draw a strawberry ice cream. Now, let's add a twist to our ice cream adventure. We're going to draw a star-shaped ice cream. Next on the menu is a waffle cone ice cream. It's a little more challenging, but I know you can do it. Let's create some texture and mouth-watering details. Orange color, yellow color, blue color, brown color, green color, red color, amazing! I love my pen. Brown color again. Purple color. I love my pen. Yellow color again. Brown color again. Pink color. Blue color again. Brown color again. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more creative and educational content. Thanks for joining us today.